Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, we are going to do an unboxing of
SewTech's magnetic hoop. So if that is something you are interested in, I do hope that you stick around. If you're interested in learning how to use magnetic hoops with your single needle embroidery machine, then that is something that will be very helpful. So just give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified each time I make a video. Alright, let's get started.
Okay guys, so today we are going to unbox this magnetic hoop. It came and it's raining, so it's all wet. Alright guys, so today we are going to use our 4x4 magnetic hoop, and I have a Brother PE 900 machine. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're going to stitch out a design that I worked on the other day, and we are gonna see how well this does. All right. All right, so this is it. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to take my stabilizer and I'm gonna ensure that I have enough stabilizer here. I'm using cutaway stabilizer, and I'm also going to get my fabric. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to fuse the fabric to the stabilizer. Okay, so I'm get this all hooked up. I'm gonna get my spray. So that it stays flat when I'm doing it. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place my magnetic hoop. Remember, this is the side that goes down on your machine. So I'm gonna place it down, and you're going to get your magnets, and all you're going to do, you're going to clamp them so this part is gonna stay out. You're going to clamp it and ensure that it sits in the groove. See that? This part right here, you're going to let it sit in the groove. So I'm gonna put them inside so that it stays in that groove. Okay. Okay. All right, so this is all hooked up. Remember, must sound like a drum. It does sound like a drum, so you know you're doing the right thing. All right, so now we're gonna take it to our embroidery machine. All right, so I'm gonna put it on. Just gonna just snap it in. Sure that you hear that snap. And okay, so I'm doing a trace. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to start with this design. The first color in this design is red. It's a multicolor design, but I can tell you that using these hoops are very good, especially when you're working with patches. I'll do a patch video for you how you could use this hoop. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead. All right, guys, this is the final result. Now this is the 4x. All right, guys, this is the final result. This is the 4x4 hoop. I had no issues at all stitching out this design, and this design, it came out absolutely well. I had no problems with the stitches. It stayed in place. So if you're looking for a magnetic hoop, I'm going to put the link in the description box where you'll be able to find this one, because this one is an amazing one. All right, so until we meet again, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.